Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. This is the Low Income Savings Challenge coloring book, and today I'm going to be coloring in another row. If you're new here, my name is Paula. My channel is PJ Danita Trends. If you have the book, you can color along with me wherever you are, and if not, you can just grab a drink and sit back and listen to the conversation and watch the coloring. So I'm going to start by adding up this next row, and it looks like I'm going to have a total of $45. But if you're starting over financially in 2026, I want you to hear this first. You are not behind and you didn't fail. Sometimes life just hits harder than we planned for. And the fact that you're here watching this means you're still trying, and that matters. Today, as I color in the next row of my savings challenge, like I said, I'm going to be saving $45 more, and I want to talk about what starting over really looks like. This is my back to basics season. No fancy goals, no pressure to do it all, just small, steady progress. As I color this row, I'm reminded that rebuilding doesn't happen in one big moment. It happens in quiet choices like this one. $45. I know that's not a lot for a lot of people, but for some people it may be a lot. It's not life-changing overnight, but it's life-changing over time. If you had a hard year, I want you to know you're not alone. For a lot of us, money stress didn't come from bad decisions. It came from survival, rising costs, unexpected expenses, trying to keep everything together. Starting over financially doesn't mean erasing the past. It means deciding that today gets a fresh start. And sometimes that fresh start looks like coloring in one row and saying, this is what I can do right now. Now, here's something that I've learned. Progress feels different when you're starting over. It's slower, it's quieter, and it's often invisible to everyone but you. But every time you save even a small amount, and I'm talking $5, $20, or $45, you're building proof that you can move forward. This isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. And consistency is what actually changes your finances. If all you can do right now is one small step, let that be enough. One transfer if you don't use cash, one envelope if you're a cash stuffer, or one row colored. You don't need to catch up to anyone. You just need to keep showing up for yourself. That's how momentum starts. That's how momentum gets built. So as I finish coloring this row and adding another $45 to my savings, I want to encourage you to do one small thing today, whatever fits your life. And if this video helped you feel less alone, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos, so that you don't miss any of my progress, and so that you can color along with me. For the coloring book, it's less than $10. It's on Amazon. I always leave a link in the description box. And for those of you who like to scan QR codes, I always pop a QR code up in the video. But that's it. I'm just going to keep moving forward one baby step at a time. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone, and if you're walking this journey with me in 2026, make sure to stay encouraged. Let's motivate each other. Bye for now, everyone.